Alright guys, gotta talk about this Ducky 1-2 Mini Pure White. This thing is seriously slick. First off, the pure white aesthetic. Clean. Minimalist. It just looks fantastic on any desk setup. And it's a 60% keyboard, which means it's super compact. Perfect for saving space, especially if you've got a smaller desk where you're always on the go. Don't let the size fool you though. This little keyboard packs a punch. We're talking cherry MX blue switches here. Clicky, tactile, and oh so satisfying to type on. If you love that audible feedback, that click-clack that lets you know you're getting things done, these are the switches for you. They're also great for gaming, especially for genres where precise keystrokes are key. Think rhythm games or anything that requires quick reactions. Now the keycaps. Double shot PBT. Durable, resistant to shine, and the legends won't fade. These keycaps are built to last. Plus, they feel great under your fingertips. And let's not forget the RGB. It's vibrant, customizable, and adds a touch of personality to this already stylish keyboard. You can tweak the lighting effects to your heart's content, creating a setup that's truly unique. The Ducky 1-2 Mini also uses a detachable USB-C cable, which is always a plus for portability and cable management. It's super easy to just unplug and throw in your bag. And speaking of portability, this thing is surprisingly lightweight. You won't even notice it in your backpack. Ducky is known for its quality, and this keyboard is no exception. It feels solid, well-built, and it's clear that they put a lot of thought into the design. From the adjustable feet to the dip switches on the back for different layouts, this keyboard offers a ton of customization options. It's perfect for both office work and gaming, which is a pretty sweet deal. So, is it perfect? Well, almost. The 60% layout does take some getting used to. You'll be using function layers to access things like arrow keys and the function row. But honestly, after a short adjustment period, it becomes second nature. And the space-saving benefits are totally worth it. Overall, the Ducky 1-2 Mini Pure White is a fantastic keyboard. It's stylish, well-built, and performs like a champ. If you're looking for a compact, high-quality mechanical keyboard with clicky switches, this one is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit of an investment, but it's one you won't regret. This keyboard is a solid piece of kit, and it's definitely earned a spot on my desk.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.